morning, afternoon, evening, wherever and whenever you're watching this vlog, welcome to day 21. That's my favorite number, 21. You know why? Because my birthday is on the 21 of October. You can wish me then. But hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Is that what you're supposed to say as a vlogger? Also, that was my car. Can you stop interrupting? अपनी कार से ही भरोसा उठ गया मेरा. अपनी कार ने मुझे धोखा दे दिया. Anyway, let's go. Also, can we appreciate the blue skies and the white clouds? So good. Let's go. And also this beautiful right here. So अभी हम जा रहे हैं नानी घर because Noor, Avyukt, my Masi have all come there. That's the headquarters. I'm really sorry मैं अभी तक पिछले 3 vlogs की comments को reply नहीं कर पाया हूँ. But I've read all of them. I've not had the chance to reply to all of them because it's been back-to-back vlogs. I don't know why I took the decision to post that 19th vlog into 2 parts because I was basically editing all day and also trying to vlog and be a decent daily-ish vlogger. So I really appreciate you loving and supporting all of this. अभी फिलहाल हम जा रहे हैं नानी घर and I'll see you guys once I reach there. I cannot wait to see and hug that beautiful kid, Avyukt.
Yes, sir.
We have reached pretty.
वाह, फिर तो वेरी गुड. चला बेटे, आजा. Is this supposed to be?
Why being so rude, bro? Avyukt talking to his dad.
Send a smile. Very smart baby he is. I've seen.
बेटा खाना खा रहे हो कि कान को भी खिला रहे हो? रिया, इसका कान इतना डेलिकेट है. कौन है ये बेबी? इसे दोबारा मुझे किसी ने ही दी.
बनवा देंगे जैसे बनवाए. कितने तक तोड़ के बने.
There's just no energy. I just don't feel any energy today. Anyway, how are you guys? What are you guys up to? What is going on? जिस city में भी आप रह रहे हो, are you allowed to go out? हमारे यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि weekends पे the shops are not open.
Grocery stores are obviously open, but for certain days.
So grocery stores are open, but just for like a couple of duration. I'm tired. Grocery stores are open for some time during the day. Now you know I am a little bit disoriented and tired. I don't know why. I think one of the reasons is because I've not had my coffee since morning. I also don't want to become that person, you know, जो कि ऐसा हम सुनते हैं, I did not have my coffee, no, so I can't be like functional, no, I don't need coffee to be energetic. So I'm gonna tell myself right now and convince myself right now that I don't need it. It's fine. I can be completely energetic right now without the coffee. It's all good. Even when I like stop recording, I'll still be this energetic person. Hi guys, क्या हाल चाल है आप लोगों का? Also, Loki, I need some coffee. Whoa, whoa. क्या प्रॉब्लम है भाई? मतलब पहले लोगों को इंटरप्शन काफी नहीं थी, अब आप भी इंटरप्शन कर रहे हो. एक तो रोड्स पे इतने गड्ढे हैं ना, मेरे को लगता है I can't feel my ass only. Also, for some reason, my phone's data is not. What am I? Is it like what am I? I feel like I don't even have a phone in my hand. I'm like my phone's data pack is not working, so I cannot see any notifications since morning. तो मैं अभी नानी माँ के घर से वापस जा रहा हूँ अपने घर. It was a good day. It was a fantastic day. It's always good to spend time with grandparents. I love talking to Nana Nani. Also because Noor was there, Avyukt was there, my both Masis and cousins were there. So I look forward to these family times. I look forward to just like sitting with them, chatting, chilling. Now I'm heading back home because Riya की internship शुरू होने वाली है in the next 15 minutes, and I'm gonna see you guys once I reach back. See you. मतलब ऐसा नहीं लगता कभी-कभी कि आपको हर कोई चीज़ थकावट देती है. मतलब अभी जैसे आरजे भी बोल रहा है, मेरे को वो बोल रहा है लेकिन थकावट मुझे हो रही है. Hi mom. ठीक नहीं, मैं थोड़ा सा थका हूँ.
हाँ सनु से टेस्ट कर रहा नहीं, शक्ल तो नहीं ठीक लग रहा.
I wanna lie down. Want some hugs from my decoders. ऐसे मन कर रहा है कि मतलब 3 घंटे से बस बिना सोचे समझे सो जाऊं.
सो जा.
Everything is taking effort. Even climbing these stairs is taking effort. Disappointed. I am disappointed in myself today. Hold up. Wait a minute. It's a chopper. Okay, so I don't know how, but everything is a little bit of a mess. I'll tell you how. This suitcase, I brought it when I came back from Mumbai in March. अभी क्या चल रहा है? अगस्त खत्म होने वाला है. मार्च में मैं इस सूटकेस लेके आया था. The lockdown got announced and I was like, अभी 1-2 दिनों की बात है, 1 हफ्ते की बात है, 1 महीने की बात है, और तब से मैं इसी से ही जी रहा हूँ. The level of procrastination is real. मतलब मैंने इसको इतनी भगवान ने सुंदर अलमारियां दी हैं, उसमें भी नहीं रखे हैं कपड़े. I was like, 1 महीने की बात है, जस्ट क्यों फालतू में दोबारा से इसको फिर करना पड़ेगा, इसमें रहने देते हैं ना. द सामान इज ऑल पैक्ड. जब कपड़े धुल के प्रेस होकर आ रहे थे, मैं यहीं पर ही रख देता हूँ. सो आई नीड टू सॉर्ट दिस आउट, क्योंकि मुझे अभी कोई प्लान नहीं लग रहा है मुंबई जाने का इन द नियर फ्यूचर विद दिस होल लॉकडाउन सिचुएशन. दैट इज वन थिंग. नंबर 2, पहले तो मैं इसको नीचे करूँ. Like I can completely put the vlogging camera on the side and do this quickly, but there you go. ऐसे रूम थोड़ा सा नीट लगता है. Slightly better, slightly clean. अपनी जगह पे नहीं रह सकते हो तुम. क्या हो गया? I'm not even gonna address this pile of. This is a pile of anxiety right here for me. Every time I look at it, I'm like, gonna tackle this tomorrow. Either way, अगर मैं इसको अलमारी में नहीं भी रखता हूँ, I'll just sort these clothes out. I don't know ये क्या ऐसे पड़े हुए हैं. Okay, this section, these are my dumbbells. I don't know why they are kept here like this is a piece of decor, because anyway, I don't have anything else to put here. Ignore the ceiling on the wall. I mean, this is the decor. This right here, this is my wall decor, guys. This drawer gives me a little bit of, oh, Shivani, do you remember this? I still have this. And mostly I have all my, like all the art that you guys have sent me, all the letters and all in this box, which I will, I think, open in one of the vlogs just to like go back to all the wonderful letters that you've sent me. But most of it is also in Mumbai. So the studio is half clean, half messy, but still better than how it was when I came inside. So ओके, कमिंग टू दिस रूम. इस रूम की मुझे एक अलग ही लेवल की स्ट्रेस हो रही है. सो आई शो यू. आई हैव नॉट पुट बेडशीट ऑन, विच ऑनेस्टली आई डोंट माइंड, बट माई मॉम इज लाइक, बेडशीट बिछाने के लिए होती है, ऐसे गद्दों को ऐसे रखना है तो फिर क्या मतलब है. तो टुमारो आई एम गोना डू दैट, बिकॉज दिस ऑल्सो राइट हियर, दिस अनकेम्प्ड, नॉट सो ब्यूटिफुल लुकिंग बेड is giving me a little bit of stress. If you know something about me, a clean space gives me happiness. A messy space gives me stress. That's me, the Rajat code. So this, अभी literally 2-3 दिन पहले मैंने ये सारे rooms clean किए थे, but I don't know how. Maybe in the shooting process, they all just get messy. So ये ऐसा भी लग सकता है कि मैं बहुत complain कर रहा हूँ, but trust me when I say I'm not complaining. मैं भगवान का बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि I get to work every day and I have these opportunities and I have you people loving my work. So no complaints at all, but I'm just telling you the facts. कल सुबह मैंने vlog edit करने के बाद I uploaded it, I posted it like in private, and I slept at around 7:15 in the morning, 7:15 a.m. and then I woke up exactly at 9:55. I posted the vlog at 10 o'clock. I just posted it everywhere on social media. And then I slept. I get a call from my sister Noor, which you guys have met now. She told me that she and Masi and Avyukt will be coming to Nani's house at around 12:30. So, it will be nice if we also come there. So it's like a nice get together. So I was like, okay. And then I slept. I was like, I just need to really have some good sleep because मेरे को literally 4 घंटे की भी नींद नहीं मिली है proper. And then I woke up at around 1 o'clock and I was like, I don't want to go so late to Nani's house that I'm not able to spend enough time. So I quickly got ready. I started vlogging, which you guys saw. And you guys know I love to vlog with my family, but like you guys have seen the Raksha Bandhan vlog and everywhere. But you know, there are times you also have to respect that people are just chilling in their homes and they don't want to be like facing the camera. So jitna ho saka maine vlog kiya. I vlogged Avyukt, but everybody was just in a chill mode. So I was like, no, this is not the right place to just vlog. So I came back. I came back at around 5:45 क्योंकि 6 बजे रिया की internship start होनी थी. तो I was like, we'll just go back home. I was feeling very tired, which you also saw in the vlog. I was like, चलो ठीक है, मैं ना 1-1.5 घंटे की एक nap ले लेता हूँ and then I'll resume back. Very risky business these naps because I slept at around 7 and then I woke up at 10:15 and I felt very disappointed. I was like, you know, I had all the energy and all the willingness to do this vlog, but I just didn't do it because I was really sleep deprived. मुझे बहुत नींद आ रही थी, मैं बहुत थका भी हुआ था. I was like, why did I do it? I could have totally avoided that nap, but I think I also kind of deserved that nap because काफ़ी back to back editing हो रही थी vlogs की, especially with the part 2 of 19th day vlog. Why do I do that to myself? Also, even in the editing, I'm gonna tell you, I grill myself even in the edit. So for example, once the vlog is edited fully, I will rewatch it and I will be like, what can I do here? Can I just put like a little text here? Can I put like a little effect here? I do that. And I'm not again trying to say, oh, look at me, मैं तो कितना काम कर रहा हूँ. But genuinely, this is what happens. I grill myself in the editing कि यार नहीं, I have to make sure that the vlog is, you know, nicely packaged because that's where you literally put in your magic. So उसकी वजह से I sleep also very late because all these things take a lot of time and I'm not a fast editor. I take my time. मैं तसल्ली से edit करता हूँ. But anyway, मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा बोल रहा हूँ. What I'm gonna do is change and then go downstairs and take you guys along with my editing routine of every day. Let's go. So I have changed into my comfy editing clothes, clothes that I usually wear every day. Let's go downstairs. So usually when I sit down to edit, तो मैं अपना dinner करके सोता हूँ. But the foodie inside me and the midnight snacker inside me wakes up at around 2ish. So then I get hungry and then I'm like, what is there to eat? भूख लगी है. So then I wake up Riya and I'm like, Riya कुछ खाते हैं. I'm gonna start editing and then in about half an hour, 45 minutes, let's eat something. By the way, I'm not gonna lie, ये जो 12 बजे के बाद का टाइम है, इस टाइम पर कुछ खाने का अलग ही मजा है. Comment below if you agree. Because I feel like, wait, let me just put you somewhere. I don't know, because you know, I used to pride in myself for having like a good routine. Like I used to wake up early in the morning and I remember posting Instagram stories by saying morning and but now because of these daily-ish vlogs, because I start editing like at around 12:31, I wake, like I sleep very late. तो थोड़ा routine इस तरह से हो चुका है, which I'm not so proud of. I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to fix it. I'm going to fix it for sure. Like starting from Monday, I'm gonna try that if I start editing at 10 in the night, like 10 p.m. by around 2-3 o'clock, I'm just done with everything, like posting the vlog, thumbnail ready, everything ready, so that you know, even if I wake up at around 8, I think it's still a decent amount of sleep that I've had and I don't feel sleepy throughout the day. So I'm gonna fix that for sure. Like I'm not happy with the current routine I have. Let's have some hot chocolate with some cookies, please. Ah, lovely.